part of the order in Vento QR, the guest can choose a variant of the item and also a side dish. Variants can vary, but they may include, for example, the level of spiciness, or how the guest wants their meat cooked. In the Vento system, you can set default groups of variants and side dishes, or you can always set specific ones for a given recipe. In our case, we'll choose doneness level as the variant. We'll add side dishes. And this is what the final order in Vento QR will look like. After selecting the recipe, a menu will expand where the guest will choose the variant, the side dish, and the number of portions.